would like to highlight though, because I personally see continuous confusion, if you like, about that, is the direction of the TCFD. And even within the TCFD, every now and then we have a discussion about the direction. And some of our members are really into driving down the carbon emissions globally. They have a net zero mindset, if you like. And whereas that is related to climate-related financial risks, because if carbon emissions go down, then you also are less exposed to potential carbon pricing. It is really not the immediate direction that the TCFD is looking into. So we are in that regard only interested in the financial implications from climate change, whatever that climate change is going to be. And you will know about the scenario analysis, I assume. That is exactly the recommendation that demonstrates that we are agnostic, if you like, to what the world is going to do in terms of temperature rise. But we're really looking to what does that mean in financial terms for companies. So it's really the outside in perspective, so to say, that the TCFD is focusing on.